So what's up guys? Labas muna tayo dito sa Virgin. Virgin, hindi Virgin, Virgin. So malamig at labas lang tayo. Let's go.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake.
Nandito tayo sa Virgin.
Babe, I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79.
Mainit pero
And
malamig.
make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm
Lakad
tree
muna tayo.
inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tab.
And actually hindi ko alam kung saan nakapupunta ngayon. Hindi ko alam, first time ko lumabas dito eh. Iniwanan ako ni Marlo. Marlo, asan ka na Marlo?
Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Marami.
Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
So ayun, lakad-lakad muna tayo. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Pero maganda dito. Mga kahoy. So yun, kung ano rito, kung nandito kayo, maririnig nyo dito yung ayan, o mga huni ng ibon. Ayan, maraming kalapati. Ay, yung kahoy halos walang dahon po, pero parang tinatanggalan nilang dahon. Pero sobrang tahimik. Relaxing yung ambience dito. Ayan, may nagpapalipad ng drone. Merong asan ka? Boy, ang taas. Asan ka? Asan? Ayun, may nagpapalipad ng drone. Ayun o. Ito niya, may drone. Palipad. Ayun. Kung naririnig nyo yung ano ng ibon, yun lang kahit yung mga sasakyan dito hindi maingay masyado kasi almost ano, halos mga electric ang iba. Walang masyadong pollution sa hangin. Uy, umatak yung ano, yung ibon. Ayan. Ay, madami-daming hagdan. Ewan ko kung saan to papunta. Ay. Ah.
So yun na nga, hindi ko na na-videohan yung pabalik natin. So, andito na tayo sa barko, change outfit agad kasi medyo maliliit na tayo mga brother, mga manoy. Maliliit na tayo. So pasok na agad tayo. Hanggang dito na lang. Ito po si Chef Jude CB. Alright.